guys, today I'll be sharing a very quick unboxing and overview with a bit of a comparison between Google's latest offerings, the Google Pixel 5 5G and the Pixel 4a 5G. Both have landed on my desk today. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And guys, as you may have seen on my tweets and on my IG stories, etc., it has finally arrived. Yes, the whole package from Google. Thank you so much, Google. Here in front of me, I have the Pixel 5 5G and the Pixel 4a 5G. And also in the box, I have received... So I couldn't help myself, I had to take out the Pixel 5 5G at the box in advance. I've also received the Google Pixel Buds and the Pixel 5 case can go on a side. The Pixel Buds, you may see a standalone review on these on the channel very soon. And the two bad boys, guys, the Google Pixel 5 5G and the Google Pixel 4a 5G. I'm going to be unboxing and sharing an overview of both of these together today, and the key differences and the key similarities between the two phones. You will see a detailed test and review on the channel in the coming days. Due to embargo, I can't go into much detail, but I'll share a quick comparison of both, so a quick overview. So now I did have a choice of two colors for the Pixel 5 5G. I've gone for this greeny, or as Google calls it, Sorta sage color. It also comes in just black, and the Google Pixel 4a 5G only comes in one color, the just black color. So let's get these out the box, shall we? Okay. Let's get this out the box, shall we? Put it on the side. So both come with some user manuals and SIM eject tools. Both have an 18 watts fast charger, USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cables, and both come with these USB to USB Type-C converters. So far so good. The only key difference I can see so far is that the Pixel 5 looks slightly smaller than the Pixel 4a 5G, and of course the colours between the two. So let's begin with this beauty here. Oh my god. This is exciting. The Pixel 5 5G, guys, check it out. A nice matte finish here at the back. It has a very nice cool texture. So we have the Google logo here in a metallic silver, matching the power button. It's beautiful. I'm so glad I went for the Sorta sage color. Spotting some similarities already, but we'll come to them shortly. And the Google Pixel 4a 5G. I love this bit. Comes in a nice matte finish. And the two beauties side by side, guys. Let's turn them on. So whilst these turn on, looking at the Google Pixel 5 5G smartphone first. And on the right hand side we have a power button, which is in a nice premium silver color. We have the volume rocker just below it. And at the bottom we have a mic, speakers, and a USB Type-C port. And on the left hand side we have a SIM card tray. At the top here we have another mic, and here we have front firing speakers. At the back, guys, we have the Google logo, a rear fingerprint scanner, and the cameras. We also have a punch hole selfie camera here at the front. Now let's move on to the Google Pixel 4a 5G. Beginning on the right we have a power button, and just below it we have a volume rocker. On the left hand side we have a SIM card tray. At the bottom we have a mic, a USB Type-C port, and the speakers. Here at the top we have another mic, a 3.5mm audio jack, and the front firing speakers here in the earpiece, and a hole punch selfie camera. The Google Pixel 5 5G and the Google Pixel 4a 5G. Ladies and gents, what do you think? I am so excited. So guys, first impressions, I absolutely love this sort of sage color. Both phones look very similar. Both have 128 gigabytes of storage. Now both phones feature the same chipset. Both have Qualcomm 765 5G chipset. And guys, although it's not the most powerful as the 865 chipset, so far I am very impressed with the performance of both phones. And guys, both have 12 megapixel selfie cameras, and the rear facing cameras are also identical. So we have an 8 megapixel rear sensor with optical image stabilization and dual pixel autofocus. And wait for it guys, yes, we have a 16 megapixel ultra wide. Yes guys, you heard me right, an ultra wide camera which has a 107 degrees angle of view. And I'll be playing with these, I'll be testing these in the coming days, and I'll be sharing a video on these comparisons with you guys once the embargo has lifted. Both feature rear fingerprint sensors. And guys, as most of you know, the Pixel phones feature some of the best software you can get on smartphones. Both come with Android 11 out of the box. Okay guys, so now we're going to move on to the differences. So we've just had an overview of all the similarities between the two phones. Now let's check out the differences. And the first noticeable difference, guys, when looking at the phones directly, are these bezels, guys. As you can see, the Pixel 5 has slightly smaller bezels than the Pixel 4a 5G. The enclosure of the Pixel 5 is made of 100% recycled aluminium, whereas the Pixel 4a 5G is made of polycarbonate unibody, which is plastic, just like the Pixel 4a. The Pixel 5 5G has an IP68 water resistant rating, whereas the Pixel 4a 5G does not come with a water resistant rating at all, so it does not have an IP rating. Both have OLED display, key differences being the Pixel 5 5G comes with a slightly smaller 6-inch display, whereas the Pixel 4a 5G comes with a 6.2-inch display. Another key difference, guys, now although both feature a very bright, nice OLED display, the contrast ratio is higher on the Pixel 5. The display is brighter and has a 90Hz refresh rate, whereas the Pixel 4a 5G has a refresh rate of 60Hz. Also, watch the Pixel 5 5G features 8GB RAM. The Pixel 4a 5G, which is a larger phone, has a smaller RAM of 6GB. The battery on the larger Pixel 4a 5G is 3,885 milliamps, whereas the battery on the smaller Pixel 5 5G is 4,080 milliamps, so slightly larger battery on the Pixel 5. Now another key difference between the two phones is the charging capabilities. Although both come with an 18-watt charger, the Pixel 5 5G features wireless charging, whereas the Pixel 4a 5G unfortunately does not feature wireless charging. Another key difference, guys, as you may have noticed here at the top, the Pixel 4a 5G does come with a 3.5mm audio jack, whereas the Pixel 5 does not have an audio jack. Now let's very quickly look at the prices, guys. The Pixel 4a 5G will be priced at around £500, and that's around $500 in the US. And the Pixel 5 will be priced at around £600 here in the UK and around $700 in the US. So in summary, guys, here we have two very impressive phones which look almost identical. Check out the similarities and the differences between the two on the screen in front of you. Which one do you prefer? Both look and feel very good in the hand. The Pixel 5 definitely has a premium build, a better display, more RAM, a bigger battery, has an IP rating and comes with wireless charging. However, both phones have a lot of similarities. Both phones come with lots of new features, updates to cameras, there's lighting effects, improved night photography, and guys, be sure to hang around on the channel as a detailed test and review on both phones will be coming your way very soon. So guys, this was a very quick overview of Google's latest offerings. This absolutely beautiful looking premium Google Pixel 5 5G and the mid-range Google Pixel 4a 5G. Both phones look and feel great in the hand. Personally, guys, I'm actually preferring this very beautiful premium looking sort of sage color and the build and quality of the Pixel 5 5G. So we have two fantastic smartphones here in front of us, guys. The Pixel 5 5G and the Pixel 4a 5G. These phones will be available to buy as of next week. In a quick summary, guys, although both phones are very similar, the Pixel 5 definitely feels more premium, has an overall better display, a bigger RAM, a bigger battery. Okay guys, so that was a very quick comparison and an overview of both the Google Pixel 5 5G and the Pixel 4a 5G. If you do have any questions, be sure to pop them down in the comment box below. And guys, I do hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to comment, share, like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, bye.